In this video, let me show you how to fix Lyft language settings. If the correct language on the Lyft application is not selected, let me show you the way that you can select it inside of the settings. So make sure you head over to your profile option, scroll down, head over to settings, which is this gear icon that is being displayed. Once you're inside of the settings page, you will need to scroll down further, and underneath safety, you'll be able to see the option called language settings. If you're currently not being able to understand the language that is being displayed, you'll need to follow my instructions and you'll need to make note of the icons that are being displayed. So you can tap on this globe sort of icon, which is the language settings, and from this list you can select the exact language that you want. So you can see a few languages being displayed. As soon as you tap on one of these languages, you'll need to restart the application. So what you need to do is close the app of Lyft from the recent app list, and once you open it up again, the new language will be changed. So you can just follow this process to be able to fix the language inside of the Lyft application. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.